It's amazing. My business has arrived. My jewelries are here, customers. CZ, you are too much. CZ Jewelleries, you are too much.
Thank you very much. I
appreciate
appreciate you. You can see it on my neck.
You are too much.
Oh my
Goodness,
goodness.
this is one of them.
Yeah.
Oh my God. And
You see, we're opening a new one.
yes, well packaged.
Oh.
Wow. This is amazing. This is amazing. This is a set. Wow.
That's beautiful.
Wow. Wow.
Fantabulous. This is fantabulous.
Wow, this is lovely.
See this?
Wow.
My customers are just there for me.
Honestly.
I'm coming. Just wait for me a few minutes from
This
now.
is beautiful. Thank you very much, CZ Jewelleries. I really appreciate you. You always
What do you have to say this?
Thank you. This is beautiful, Mommy. This is beautiful.
That is lovely.
amazing.
Exceptional.
Wow.
Yes. Wow.
That's the
It's a
earring
set.
for this. Yes.
Yes, it's a set. Wow. Wow. This is beautiful. Wow. I have another
Look at this.
Wow.
Oh, that's my own. She gave it. She brought this. This is this. This is not my own. I was saying it.
Mommy, you
Oh
buy
my
all of
God.
That
That's it.
is top notch.
Yeah.
I think the earrings are here. That's the earrings for you. That's top
beautiful.
notch. Wow.
That's beautiful.
This is another one. This is another one. Customers.
People are amazing.
You can see them. They are here. You know, you've been watching them in my status, but now it has arrived. So hurry up, come and pick your own.
You see this thing here? It will really call.
Yeah. People can. I think there is one that
They
has
pray.